Okay, Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, we have a trifecta of updates today. We have the app 2.2.8. We have the firmware on the Craft at 1.4.4 and an update on the controller 1.1.8. So let's see if we can get this thing in the garage, but I'm just gonna get her started there. I just hover it up.
No obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution.
Okay, just try to settle it down a bit. Go over to the video. Number 4K, but I want 1080p. Okay, 100. Don't want 100. I want 60. There we go, just about. So we've got 1080p, we're good. Okay. Now, how is it doing? Any jittering? Notice that that icon is gone. Remember the tool icon, the orange one that was up there beside the, above the red circle on the left there? Yeah, it's gone. I have no idea what it was, and I didn't get any response from Hubsan. And they asked me to try out a new app, but apparently before they could get it to me, they published it, 2.2.8. So, here we go. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. But what did it actually change? Well, we know it got rid of that yellow-orange icon that nobody knows what it was for. Was it a ghost? Anyway, the app says it optimized the flight record information. Well, on the right here, this is this flight, okay? And it says I'm over 4 meters high. That's 15 feet. That's the ceiling of my garage. So it didn't optimize that. So I don't know what it optimized. On clarification here, go back in the video to about 2 minutes, 5 seconds. You see the red arrow pointing to the altimeter, I guess it is. So garbage in, garbage out. So the flight records just recorded what the screen said. But if I was 4.8 meters off the ground and I started off at ground zero, I'd be through the ceiling. So I think Hubsan's got a little bit more to worry about. Okay? Okay. Sorry for the break. Back to it. But anyway, what else did it do? Optimize the flight status reminder. Don't really know what that is, but maybe that's during a flight, some error messages come up, some warnings. Who knows? What else is there? Well, with the aircraft and the remote control updates, it says they've enhanced the image transmission to the aircraft and the remote and stabilized the USB connection between the remote and the phone. Well, that's an odd thing. I've discovered that if you plug in your phone before you start up the controller, 9 times out of 10, it won't connect. If you leave everything unplugged, start up the controller, then wait 10 seconds, plug in your phone, it'll connect every time. I've never really had too much problems with disconnects. A lot of people have, but this issue with plugging your phone in before turning on the remote has been an issue for me, and that's the one way around it. I suspect that it really hasn't changed much. So, what has all these updates really done? For me, basically just got rid of an icon. Unfortunately, I have more pressing issues with the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro to deal with, and the fact they're still on top of some of these updates, that's a good thing. They're still pumping them out. But in whose universe am I 4.7 meters, 16 feet off the ground? Which universe am I in? Hubsan, you're putting updates out there. One step forward, 3 steps backwards. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.